Welcome guys to today's lectures. I am GK Emmanuel and I'm going to take you through pharmacology. So this video we are going to talk about the introduction to pharmacology. Then I will take you through basic things that you have to know under pharmacology, and then in the subsequent videos we dive more into pharmacology. Before then, what is pharmacology? When we say pharmacology, let's break it down. Pharmacology. When we say pharmaco, it is drugs. And when we say logy, is study of. So when we say pharmacology, we mean the study of what? Drugs. That is pharmacology. That is the study of drugs. Now, under pharmacology or under the study of drugs, we are going to study the names and classifications of drugs. The name and classifications of drugs. And then after that, we will talk about the movement of the drug. That is a pharmacokinetic. Then we will look at the effects of the drug in the body, or the actions of drugs in the body. That is a pharmacodynamics. So basically, these are the things that we are going to look at under pharmacology. And maybe we will talk about some one or two brief histories or how drugs are being prepared and all that. Now, let's get the ball rolling. So, we have pharmacology. Now, pharmacology, as I said, it is the study of drugs. Now, what is it about the drugs? Under the drugs, we are going to study the pharmacodynamics. The pharmacodynamics, which talks about the actions of the drug on the body, or the effects of the drug on the body. So the effect of the drugs on the body. And then we will talk about the pharmacokinetics. That is pharmacokinetics. That is also the movement of the drug in the body. So the movement of drugs in the body. So basically we are talking about the pharmacodynamics and then the pharmacokinetics. So we are going to start with one of it, then we will move on to the other one. So under the pharmacodynamics, that is when you will talk about the effect of the drugs on the body, as I said. So under it, we are going to talk about the receptor theory, and then we are also going to talk about drugs actions, and then we'll talk about cell signaling. And then under the pharmacokinetics, that talks about the movement of drugs in the body. So the various routes through which the drug moves to achieve a therapeutic effect. So under that, we are going to look at absorption of the drug. So under that, we will look at the various routes of administration first. Routes of drug administration. And then we will go over to look at the distribution of drug. After absorption, the redistribution of the drug. The distribution of drug. Then after the distribution of drug, then we look at the metabolism of the drug, how the drug is being metabolized. Metabolism of drugs. Then finally, we will talk about elimination of the drug or the excretion of the drug. That's the elimination of drug. So basically, this is what we'll be talking about under both pharmacodynamic and then pharmacokinetics. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my video. In the next videos, we will talk about each and every one of them. We will talk about each and every one of them and dive straight into it. So stay tuned for the next videos. Have a nice day.